Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 8 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 maths. Click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter expressions and properties. And the lessons we're going to cover today are write variable expressions from diagrams, write variable expressions, word problems, evaluate one variable expressions, evaluate multivariable expressions. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is write variable expressions from diagram. Okay, here I'm on grade 8 maths. The chapter is expressions and properties. So let's just start with the lesson, that is write variable expressions from diagram. Okay, write an expression that represents the length of the green line. Choose like terms. So we have to write down the expression that represents the length of the green line. So both the lines have the same length. Got it? The length of the green line is equal to the length of the black line. Got it? So the black line has the two segments and the sum of the segments are q plus, one of them is q and one of them is 2q. So it would be q plus 2q. Got it? When you add them, it makes 3q. That means the length of the black line equals 3q. Got it? So the length of the black line and the length of the green line are equal and they both equals 3q. Got it? Okay, let's just do another example. Okay, which expression represents the length of the green line? Combine the like terms. So just look at the lines. The length of the green line and the length of the black line are equal. Got it? The length of both the lines are equal. So the length of black line has two segments. They are R and R. Just combine them. R plus R equals 2R. Got it? That means the length of the green line and the length of the black line are equal and they both equals 2R. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions so that we can do the practice questions. Okay. An expression that represents the length of the green line, combine the terms. So here the length of the green line and the length of the black line, they both are equal. Got it? And the length of the black line is, one of the segment is V and the other one is 13. So the length of the black line is V plus 13. So both the lines are equal. Length of black line equals length of green. They both are equal. Got it? So if the length of the black line equals V plus 13, then the length of the green line must equal V plus 13. Got it? So that would be V plus 13. Got it? The correct option is V plus 13. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write an expression that represents the length of the green line, combine the terms. So the length of the green line and the length of the black line are exactly equal. And the length of the black line has two segments. One of them is 3D and the other one is 2D. They are the like terms. You can add, it would be 5D. That means the length of the green line is 5D. Very good. And that would be 5D. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, write an expression that represents the length of the green line. Combine like terms. So the length of the green line and the length of the black line are exactly equal. Black line has two segments and the segments are d plus 14. Got it? That means the length of the green line equals d plus 14. Got it? So the correct option is d plus 14. Okay, write an expression that represents the length of the green line. Combine the like terms. So the length of the green line is equal to the length of the black line, and the length of the black line equals q plus 2q. So when you add them, the length equals, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 3q. They are the like terms, so you have to add, and that equals 3q. Very good. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write an expression that represents the length of the green line. Combine the like terms. So, which is the correct option? The length of the green line and the length of the black lines are exactly equal. And the length of the black line is has the two segments. They are u plus u. So, which is the correct option? Very good. They are the like terms. You can collect them. It would be 2u. So, just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, write an expression that represents the length of the green line. Combine like terms. So the length of the green line and the length of the black line are exactly equal. And the black line has two segments. They are 2v plus 2v. So which is the correct option? 2v and 2v are the like terms. You can collect them. 2 plus 2 makes 4. So it would be 4v. Very good. That is the correct option is 4v. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, write an expression that represents the length of the green line. Combine like terms. So the length of both the lines are exactly equal. The length of green line is equal to the length of the black line. So the length of the green line is black line has two segments. They are x plus x. So they are the like terms. You can add. So it would be x plus x equals 2x. Got it? So the correct option is 2x. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is variable expressions, word problems. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, so you're given with the word problems. You have to write down the mathematical expressions. Got it? Okay. Warren drew P pictures. Sharing Shing drew 88 fewer pictures than Warren. Choose the expression that shows how many pictures Shing drew. So Warren drew P pictures. Got it? And then Shing drew 88 fewer than Warren. Got it? So it would be then fewer than 88, fewer than Warren would be P minus 88. Got it? That means that is the expression that shows how many pictures Shing drew. Shing drew P minus 88 and Warren drew P. Got it? You just have to understand the expression and just write down the mathematical expression. Got it? Okay, the next one is Jenny has G gumballs. So Jenny has G gumballs. Seth has 46 fewer gumballs than Jenny. That means Seth has 46 fewer. Jenny has G. They are G minus 46. Got it? Choose the expression that shows how many gumballs Seth has. So you can check. For example, Jenny has 50. Got it? Just check Seth. Seth would be 50 minus 46. That means he has just 4. Got it? You can check using different values. Got it? Okay, let me just read the explanation. There we have some definitions. So let me just read it. Okay. A variable is a letter that represents an unknown number. Got it? Like we did, G is the letter and that represents an unknown number. So you can say it is a variable. An expression is a group of numbers, symbols, and variables that represents another number. So the one we have written like G minus 88, that 46, that would be the expression. Got it? So you can uh, use different values to check which is the correct option. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let's start with the test questions. Okay, Max has 45 trading cards. Eric has T more trading cards than Max. Choose the expression that shows how many trading cards Eric has. Okay, so Max has 45. Got it? Max has 45. Eric has T more than Max. That means you have to add T to 45. Got it? That means the Eric has 45 plus T. Got it? If you have any question, you can just write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions. It would be 45 plus T. Got it? Okay, Dina earned E extra credit points. Grayson earned 9 fewer extra points than Dina. Choose the expression that shows how many extra credit points Grayson earned. So, which is the correct option? Dina earned E extra points. So, Dina has E points and Grayson has 9 fewer extra points than Dina. It would be E minus 9. Got it? So, that means the correct option is E minus 9. So the correct option is E minus 9. Just select the correct option then click on the OK button. Okay, which is the Dave earned B bonus points. Wilson earned 44 more bonus points than Dave. So Dave has B points. Wilson earned 44 more. 44 more means you have to add. So Wilson has B plus 44. Got it? So the correct option is B plus 44. Just read the question carefully, you'll get your answer. It would be B plus 44. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay. The next one is Relay planted T fewer trees than Kamal. Kamal planted 92 trees. Choose the expression that shows how many trees Relay planted. So Kamal planted 92. Relay planted T fewer than Kamal, so it would be 92 minus T. Isn't it? That means Relay planted 92 minus T plants. Got it? So the correct option is 92 minus T. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Debbie has 21 buttons. Brenna has B more buttons than Debbie. We choose the expression that shows how many buttons Brenna has. So you have to, which is the correct option? So Debbie has 21 and Brenna has B more buttons than Debbie. So which is the correct option? Who is going to answer the question? Which is the correct option? B more button than Debbie. So which is the correct option? It would be B plus 21. 21 plus B. Got it? That means Debbie has 21 and B more buttons than Debbie. So it would be 21 plus B. Got it? So the correct option is 21 plus B. That is option number one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. The next one is Sean has 76 more bouncy balls than Nathan. Nathan has B bouncy balls. So Nathan has B and Sean has 76 more. That means you have to add it to be B plus 76. Got it? So it would be B plus 76 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is Rosa has 55 books. Patrick has B more books than Rosa. Show the expression, choose the expression that shows the how many books Patrick has. So 55. Rosa has 55 and Patrick has B more. That means it would be 55 plus B. Got it? Yes, very good. That would be 55 plus B. Okay, Warren drew P pictures. Shing drew 88 fewer pictures than Warren. Choose the expression that shows how many pictures Shing drew, which is the correct option. Which is the correct option? P fewer, not P more. It would be P minus 88. Got it? Just look at the words carefully. Yes, it would be P minus 88. Very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is evaluate one variable expressions. Okay, let's start with the example. Evaluate the expression for w equals 7. So the expression is w plus 7 and you have to evaluate it for w equals 7. So just replace the variable with the value. Got it? Just replace w with 7. So it would be 7 plus 7 and 7 plus 7 makes 14. That means w plus 7 equals 14 when w equals 7. Got it? Let's do the next one. Evaluate the expression for j equals 7. You have to do 11 minus j. Just replace the j with the value j is 7. So you have to do 11 minus 7. And 11 minus 7 is 4. Got it? Okay, let's start with the practice questions. Evaluate the expression for y equals 2. So just replace the y with the value, it would be 7y. That means 7 is multiplying to y. 7 times 2 makes 14. Very good. That is the 14. So the correct option is 14. Okay, the next one is evaluate the expression for p equals 2. So just replace the p with a value. It would be 5 times 2 and 5 times 2 equals. Yes, 5 times 2 equal 10. So the correct option is 10. Okay, evaluate the expression for w equals 7. So replace the w with the value. So it would be 7 plus 7 and 7 plus 7 makes. Yes, very good. 7 plus 7 makes 14. So the correct option is 14. Okay, evaluate the expression for p equals 6. So 14 plus p is, replace the p with the value. So it would be 14 plus 6. So 14 plus 6 equals. Replace p with the value. P is 6. So 14 plus 6 equals 20. The, the correct option is to select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is evaluate the expression for s equals 4. So just replace the s with 4. So 6 minus 4 equals. Yes, very good. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So the correct option is 2. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, evaluate the expression for v equals 1. So you have to do 2 times v. 2 times v means you have to do 2 times 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 times 1 is 2. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Very good. Okay, the next one is evaluate the expression for q equals 2. So you have to replace the q with 2. So it would be 6 times 2 and 6 times 2 equals. 6 times 2 is 12. Got it? So the correct option is, very good. The correct option is 12. Okay, the next one is evaluate the expression for j equals 7. So you have to do 11 minus 7 and 11 minus 7 equals. Yes, very good. 11 minus 7 equals 4. So the correct option is 4. Very good. Okay, evaluate the expression for s equals 2. So 2s, which is the correct option. 2 times s is 2 times 2 and 2 times 2 is very good. That would be 4. So the correct option is 4. Okay, evaluate the expression for k equals 1. So you have to do 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Got it? So the correct option is 9. Very good. Evaluate the expression for h equals 6. So 4 plus h equals 6 plus 4 equals, yes, very good. It would be 10. So the correct option is 10. Okay, the next one is 4g when g equals 3. So which is the correct option? You have to do 4 times 3. Yes, very good. 4 times 3 is 12. So the correct option is 12. Okay, evaluate the expression for s equals 1. So 3 times 1 is, 3 times 1 is, yes, very good. It would be 3. So the correct option is 3. Okay, the next one is evaluate the expression for s equals 0. So 18s, 18 times 0 is, 18 times 0 is, yes, it is 0. So the correct option is 0. Evaluate the expression for y equals 4. So which is the correct option? Y plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals, 4 plus 1 equals 5. Got it? Yeah, very good. So we are done with the test. Let's just start with a new lesson, that is evaluate multivariable expressions. The one we just did is we have just one variable involved. Now we're going to start with the one that has more than one variables. Got it? For example, just look at the one that is solved in the tutorial. UV. Now you have more than one variables involved. We have two of the variables involved. So you are given with the value u equals 2 and v equals 5. Got it? So just replace the value u is 2 and v is 5. They are multiplying, so 5 times 2 makes 10. Got it? You have to do the same things, but now you have more than one variables involved in the question. Got it? Okay, evaluate the expression for w equals 5 and x equals 2. Got it? So wx, just replace the variables with the value. W is 5 and x is 2, so they make together, they makes 5 times 2 makes 10. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Evaluate the expression for s equals 3 and t equals 6. So s has the value 3 and t has the value 6. So just replace the variable with the value. S is 3 and t is 6. It would be 3 plus 6. Got it? And 3 plus 6 equals 9. So the correct option is 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is evaluate the expression for b equals 6 and c equals 2. So you have to replace the variable b and c with the value. B is 6 and c is 2. So it would be 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2 makes 8. Got it? 6 plus 2 makes 8. So the correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is evaluate the expression for b equals 7 and c equals 4. So which is the correct option? B equals 7 and c equals 4. You have to add. So which is the correct option? 7 plus 4 is, yes, very good, that it would be 11. Okay, the next one is evaluate the expression for u equals 7 and v equals 3. So you have to do u minus v. So which is the correct option? 7 minus 3 equals, you have to subtract. So 7 minus 3 equals, 7 minus 3 equals 4. Got it? So the correct option is 4. Okay, evaluate the expression for w equals 4 and x equals 10. So which is the correct option? You have to add w plus x. So you have to do 4 plus 10. So 4 plus 10 equals, 4 plus 10 equals 14. Got it? So the correct option is 14. Okay, evaluate the expression for q equals 3 and r equals 12. So you have to do 12 plus 3. So 12 plus 3 equals 15. Got it? 12 plus 3 is 15. So the correct option is 15. Evaluate the expression for u equals 2 and v equals 5. So you have to do uv. 2 times 5 is, 2 times 5 is 10. So the correct option is 10. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Evaluate the expression for w equals 10 and x equals 6. So you have to do w minus x. Just do 10 minus 6. So 10 minus 6 is, yes, 10 minus 6 equals 4. So the correct option is 4. Okay, evaluate the expression for r equals 5 and s equals 0. So you have to do 5 times 0. 5 times 0 is, yes, it is 0. Got it? 5 times 0 is 0. So the answer is 0. Evaluate the expression for w equals 5 and x equals 2. So you have to do wx. So you have to do 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 is, very good, that would be 10. So the correct option is 10. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, we are done with our test. So here is the list of the lessons mm, we have to do. We have done today. We are working on grade 8 maths. The chapter is expressions and properties. And the lessons we have covered today are we write variable expressions from diagrams, write variable expressions word problems, evaluate one variable expressions, and evaluate multivariable expressions. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 9 to 9:45. Got it? So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions. Okay, that's all for today. Your participation is highly appreciated. You guys are doing very well. So please click on the like button right below the video. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.